Hey guys, welcome back. Another LED upgrade for my Yaris. We're gonna do the reverse light and the plate light today. As well, to access the tail light will be here. You have this nudge here. All you need to use is this trim remover. There you go. That's for the left side. This goes for the other side. Just locate which globe or bulb is the reverse light. For the Yaris, it sits all the way down. That's the one. Same thing. To unlock, always do counterclockwise. There you go. That's one. Counterclockwise. And you're gonna take out the other one. This is just a quick comparison of the LED and the halogen. They're both same T15 globes or bulbs, so they'll fit easily with no issues. Alright guys, I'm gonna install this for our reverse light. But first of all, as I always say, try it. The socket is down here. Also gonna try it. There you go. There are two ways to access the plate light for this car. First is from the outside by hooking the assembly out, but it's a little bit tight. The second way will involve a little bit of work by removing this internal door card panel. There are 6 clips holding this panel, and you're good to go. Next is to remove this clip. This is the socket. Press that in the clip and you can release that. Now all you need to do is press this tab and the other side as well, so you can release the whole thing. It will go outwards. Once you remove it, this is how it will look like. All you need to do is remove this rubber and spray this plastic so you can expose the LED, the globe, and then where you're gonna put your LED as well. Here you go guys. As I always say, always check the polarity. There you go. It's ready to go in. Before putting it back, just make sure that everything is snug fit for it not to have any water moisture when it rains and when you wash your car. Before putting back the door card, just make sure to check it one more time. There you go.